hoping to see a tall lumberjack that looks like Paul Bunyan along Interstate 70 in Indiana, or a 100-foot crucifix, then that means you're right next to Uranus Fudge Factory, right here in Richmond, Indiana. Let's go. Okay, we are here at Uranus Fudge Factory. Hope you guys enjoyed the drone coverage of it. Wow, look at this. I don't think this is the original location. I think there's another location further in to Indiana. Because when we were through here last year on the way to Vegas, I don't think this was here. I know that the lumberjack guy was here, but the Fudge Factory, I think this is still a work in progress. Oh wow, look at that. They have Zoltar here. And his number is for dyslexic people. All right, it's backwards. All right. Pet this alien. Oh, you can put your little cat over there, and that's pretty neat. I think Michelle's already inside. So let's go into Uranus Fudge Factory. I may have to switch over to the other camera. Oh wow. Wowzer. Oh wow. Wow. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I just want to show you guys around right now. First, to show you what you got here. Look at that. We're not far from Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. I'm glad we didn't stop there, because look at that. We got this to look at here. Biplane. Wow. Okay, while I was horsing around with the drone out there, you've already had a chance to look around.
Yeah.
So what have you discovered here at Uranus?
Oh,
or Uranus. Uranus, not Uranus. Oh wow, I didn't even see that shirt on you before. Look at that, Indiana State
that was
Fair.
from last year's
Wow.
Indiana State Fair.
Poker in the front, Uranus. Oh wow, liquor in the rear. Oh my, wow, Michelle, you're gonna get me into trouble now. Okay, this is supposed to be a family-friendly type of thing here.
Well, that is.
It's not Uranus, it's Uranus. Okay, right?
I understand that. I got a perfect shirt for you.
Okay, that's cool though. I like. How much is this?
25.
Okay, and is this for you or is this for me or what?
It could be for both or one or.
I'll get this. Okay, what else do you got there?
I got that one in gray.
We're supposed to be here to get chocolate, isn't that?
Well, this is chocolate.
Okay, I like the black one better.
That's navy blue.
Yeah.
This one is right up your alley.
There's a bowling alley here? All right.
Yes.
It's okay if you disagree with me. I can't force you to be right. Yeah, that's right. But the color is white, and I'm not a fan of white.
I know you're not, but I'm just showing you inside.
So I'm going to definitely go with this one. This one's kind of cool. But they have, look at that, Back to the Future lunch boxes here. A NASA lunch box. The Elvis is in the house. Wow. Chucky. Wow, this is much more than just a fudge factory, guys. Some cool stuff for the kiddies here. Wow. Okay, this is a hat, I gotta find out how they actually pronounce it here. I think it's Uranus. Okay? All right. But here's the real reason why you come here, right? For the candy, the chocolates, the confections, sugar. Look at that, sugar-free milk, raspberry, sherbet. So there are options here. Sugar-free milk. Oh man, Michelle's gonna be excited. Sugar-free dark vanilla caramel. Wow. Okay, we're from out of town. And I'm making a video, and how is you guys pronounce it? Is it Uranus?
It's Uranus.
Is it really? Now the city is also called Uranus?
So we are technically citizens of Uranus because you're on the property of Uranus. But
Okay.
the city of Uranus is in Richmond, Indiana.
Wow. Okay, so you guys heard it right from an authority here. It's actually Uranus. Okay. Okay, now I'm actually kind of happy. Now I don't feel so bad that I was saying it wrong.
Yeah.
I love the shirt. This is excellent. Okay. I'll be continuing on. Thank you. Wow, that is so cool. Uranus. Okay. Wow. So Michelle was right. Look at this M&M. We're gonna get something to go here. You know we are. And dark chocolate is the better version of chocolate for diabetics, right? So we keep telling ourselves. And they even have some sodas over here. Michelle was looking at a Bigfoot Sasquatch shirt. And I'm like, we got to get something to do with Uranus. It's confirmed, Michelle. It is Uranus. Okay. What do you got? They have, look at this. There's sugar-free chocolate here.
Nice.
You know, and they have dark chocolate too.
But here's my shirt.
Uranus Ice Cream Company, one lick in Uranus, and you'll go. Oh my God. Okay.
But hey, it has the name. It has ice cream and
Yeah.
yeah.
Right over here. Let me show you. Look at that. Sugar-free milk raspberry sherbet. This whole section is sugar-free.
Oh wow. Cool.
So pick out what you want, and I'll get it for you. Look at that. Sugar-free chocolates, $7.50 per quarter pound. That's awesome.
Yes, that is.
Yeah, that's
because
really good.
They're starting to realize more and more people need sugar-free in
Yeah.
their diet. And
Absolutely.
I'm glad. You know, I can't have the milk chocolate because they have potato chips covered with chocolate.
Wow.
I love them.
All right. They actually have their own ice cream counter in here. Sugar-free chocolate right there, guys. Wild cherry cheesecake. Wow. Rocky Road over there. And this looks like pralines and cream. We got mint chocolate chip over here. Lemon over there, and cookies and cream. A lot of nice options. And these are the different kinds of cones you can get going on over here. Hi, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. You know what? I'm probably going to go with one of these with something chocolate. How about the chocolate mocha almond?
That's what I was going to do.
There you go. Okay. And whatever you want, Michelle, I'll get it for you, okay? Okay, waiting on Michelle's. This is my mocha chocolate with almond. Hold on here. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, it's got like a little coffee like to it. So if you like coffee, oh yeah. I'm not a coffee drinker, but I could definitely get into this. It's hard as a rock though. Wow. Oh yeah. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
All right. This is Michelle's. Her hands are full. I know it's going to be hard for her. You want me to meet you over at the table with this, or are you going to take it? All right. Okay, you got some more things that you were looking for, Michelle.
These are all question marks. I got this for your new refrigerator for the basement.
Okay, give me space. I can relate to that.
Okay, and then 80s trivia, since our satellite's not coming in that good. It's a trivia game. You play in the car maybe.
Okay.
And then the sugar-free
And what's this
chocolate.
over here? Oh, a Libra? Okay, yeah. How much are each one of these? Like $5 or something like that?
About that, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah. And then the ice cream. Since you got me ice cream now,
Yeah.
get that.
Well, I gotta get you ice cream, you
Of
know.
course, it puts
Yeah.
a smile on my face.
We're on our way to our hotel in Indianapolis, And then tomorrow it's the Indiana State Fair. This is like a warm-up for our second go-around to the
With that frozen.
Yeah, it's hard. That's why I'm kind of glad we're having a chance to sit and let it thaw a little bit there, you know.
A young lady that took care of us was very nice to let me be patient. And I actually found sugar-free ice cream. And you don't find that anywhere else, you know. And then candy over there now, sugar-free candy.
Yeah.
It's great, you know.
I love how it's themed with aliens, though, and stuff like that. Aliens and chocolate, that's a good combination, you know. Cool place.
This is actually better than what we did with Blaine in Vegas.
Yeah, it's not as loud.
Yeah.
You know, and it's not as dark either, you know.
Yeah, and reasonable prices.
Yeah, and there's a dinosaur outside that I want to take you over there, out that way.
Okay.
So that's kind of cool. All right.
Hey everyone, Michelle here with the Great Indoors with Ed and Michelle. I'm in Uranus, Indiana, and you got to check these signs out. Uranus Dental Plan. How about that? Would you like a Uranus Dental Plan? This was on my way to the washroom. I had to wash my hands after eating that ice cream that Ed got me. But I had to check this out. The best cavity search in town. And you better call that number. But here, I like this one better. Uranus Dental and Pathology Clinic. Check out our evil Dr. King special this week is $25 for a prostate exam and a teeth clean. How would you like that? An extra $5 in charged in gloves. Would you trust that doctor to work on your mouth? Let me know in the comments in the Great Indoors. Check you later.
Okay, we get check out Uranus. There you go. I guess it's only appropriate, right? Look at this. I love Uranus playing cards. Wow. Big fun in Uranus. Okay. Rubber King chicken key ring. What is this? Zingers? What is it? Oh, they're like, oh, yeah. Oh, you could have a lot of fun with these things. Okay, let's stay focused on this. Okay.
Hello, are you ready?
I was wondering, you don't sell the music that you guys play here, do you?
No, and we have been telling people, we have been telling our owners.
Yeah, that would have been.
Soundtrack really
I could listen to this stuff all day long. Okay.
surprised how much we listen to this.
Yeah, but at least you're getting paid to listen to it. We go through a vortex on our way out, guys. Uranus Vortex Tunnel. Wow. I'll wait for you if I can make it through. Oh my God. Oh boy, I better wait for Michelle. This is like mesmerizing, guys. Oh boy, oh God. I don't think Michelle should do this. This is, oh my God. Oh my God, whoa. Wow, that is crazy weird. I'm warning you guys, this... You feel like you're moving. Okay, that's weird. Okay, Michelle, I'll follow behind you.
You're going to follow behind me. What are we doing?
We're walking through the Vortex Tunnel.
Oh, the love tunnel, huh?
Our friends already went through it, so they already know what you're in for. I'm just gonna keep my eye on Michelle.
Oh, are we tipping?
Doesn't it feel that way? Like you're gonna fall over?
Whoa!
Just keep walking, keep walking. Okay, standing still is not a good idea. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh, I made it through the love
Yeah.
tunnel!
Oh.
Yeah, let's go backwards.
Oh God. Wow, that was cool.
Okay, I have to go. This is the little girl from that ice cream with chocolate.
Okay, all right, I'll put that in the car.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go show them the dinosaur.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Oh my God, the owner writes the music to this place. The music that they play in there, it's all basically like about Uranus, okay? Okay. Okay, here we are. This is the, is that the Tyrannosaurus Rex? Wow. Yeah. Oh God. Don't want to find him in a dark alley. Wow. If I had this thing coming down on me, I know I would be in trouble. That guy's actually working on. He's actually moving over there, and he's winking at us too. They both are. If this guy starts moving though, I'm gonna get out of here though. Wow. Yeah, he's watching us, guys. He's wagging his tail. Wow, that is neat. Wow. So Michelle, what did you think of Uranus?
I loved it here.
I'm glad. Thank you for picking Uranus, right?
Yeah, this is a great tourist attraction. Of
Yeah.
course. I got video of something that you missed, and I got it on our video, so you're going to have to check me out. I actually did some commentary, and the cashier took a picture of me with butterfly wings.
Cool.
So it's added into this video.
I'll add it at the end of this part, okay?
Sounds good. And welcome to Indiana, Uranus, Indiana.
That's right.
On our way to Indianapolis for the State Fair and meeting, hopefully, Edward Dombrowski.
That's right.
And more subscribers from Indiana.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching.
Part 1 of Indiana trip.